In this video, I'll show you how to resend a campaign in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, click on the second option, which is Campaigns. Now, once you are on the campaign section, what you need to do is head over to the third column, which is status. Now, on the status, in order for you to resend a campaign, you want to make sure that that status is sent to sent. Now, on the right-hand side of that campaign, you will automatically see the action section. From here, beside the view report, click on the drop down, and in here, you want to head over to the third option to schedule a resend. Now, click on schedule resend. Once you do that in here, you will have the option to create a resend. Now, on the resend date, what you can do is simply click on the calendar. It will automatically show you the calendar for the dates. You can also set it up manually. In order for you to do that, the format is year first. So we will add 2026 and it should be a dash after. Now you want to add the month, let's say in April, and you want to add the day, we will add 20. Now a banner will show at the bottom saying your email will be resent to this exact date. On the subject line, you can add a new subject line, but this is optional. And once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on schedule email. Once you do that, it will automatically show a new campaign at the top and it is set as scheduled. On the left-hand side, the name will also be set as a resend. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.